Stop cracking your knuckles, it'll cause arthritis. But is that actually true? When you crack your knuckles, you're not breaking bones. You're releasing gas bubbles from the fluid inside your joints. This creates that popping sound. There's no solid scientific evidence that this leads to arthritis, but cracking too often can irritate the joints or weaken grip strength over time. So it's not dangerous, but not a great habit either. Your joints are delicate. Treat them wisely.